I've heard it year after year, you're never supposed to bring something new to the holiday dinners, but I was feeling very confident, maybe a little delusional. I've been baking more consistently for under 6 months now, and I really wanted to bring red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting to Thanksgiving. My past attempts at red velvet had been a little underwhelming, so this time I decided to upgrade a box mix and create a version that felt richer, softer, and more bakery style. I started by using buttermilk, which I honestly think is one of the key ingredients to keeping these cupcakes moist. I also added sour cream, butter, and vanilla to deepen the flavor. To enhance the cocoa taste, I added 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to the box mix. This part made me a little nervous because the batter turned out much thicker, almost mousse-like. I debated adding a little bit more liquid, but I decided to just trust the recipe that I created and move forward. I used the tulip-shaped cupcake liners because I wanted a more bakery-style look instead of something that felt too festive or holiday-themed. These liners really elevated the final results. I baked my cupcakes for about 25 minutes. Typically, the recipe could make up to 24 cupcakes, but I wanted that oversized bakery feel, so I filled them a little more generously, and I ended up with 16 cupcakes in total. The cream cheese frosting recipe I used is actually enough for 24 cupcakes, so I had quite a bit left over. I'm still working on perfecting my frosting, but my main goal was to keep it lightly sweet. I personally find that a lot of frosting today are overly sugary to the point where you can't taste the cream cheese or the butter. While this frosting is less sweet than a typical one, I still think I might reduce the sugar to 1 cup the next time that I make frosting. I want the cream cheese flavor to really stand out. I also learned that it's not worth it to save the $8 buying a piping bag. I thought I could just use a Ziploc bag, and that was a big mistake. But in the end, I was genuinely happy with how everything turned out. Everyone said they really enjoyed them, especially how moist the cupcakes were. Yes, these reviews are from family members, but I do feel confident that if you try these, you'll probably love them as well. Thank you for watching. Have a good day or night.